On today's Marketing Tip Monday, we will be sharing little tricks that will make big improvements on your next Facebook Live. First off, if you're not doing Facebook Live, you should be. Facebook Live is a quick and easy way to use the power of video to help you reach your audience and leverage Facebook's algorithm to your benefit. Tip number 1, make a post advertising when you will be going live. It is always a good idea to get the word out as soon as possible to try to increase your chances of having viewers and engagement early on in your live session. By having early engagement, this shows Facebook's algorithm that people are interested, and it should grow the reach of your video. Tip number 2, eliminate distractions. Turn off the TV, shut the door behind you, and for goodness sake, ignore the push notifications. Nothing looks more disingenuous than seeing someone constantly look off screen. If you can't be engaged in your own video, you can't expect others to engage with you. A noteworthy exception to this rule is when people join your live or comment or engage with you in any way, try to engage with them back. Create a conversation. That again creates more engagement and shows the algorithm that people are interested. Tip number 3, have a plan or outline. Think ahead about the topics that you'll want to discuss in your video. Think about your live session like any other publication. Having a beginning, middle, and end to your presentation will keep things flowing and progressing, and that'll prevent people from wanting to trail off. Last are some practical tips for you. When shooting your video, try using a stand or shelf to alleviate camera shake. And when you can, try shooting your video standing in front of a window to have a nice, even light. If you want to get fancy, you can even buy a ring light like we use here. By getting rid of shake and using the best lighting you can, this lets your camera work in its most optimal settings, and the final product will look the best it can be. Like always, there's a lot more that can go into creating a great Facebook Live, but hopefully this got you thinking about how you can make some little improvements in your everyday marketing efforts. If you have any questions, make sure to let us know in the comments, and we will see you next week for Marketing Tip Mondays.